Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So I've been using Fireflies AI for the past few weeks, and honestly, it's been kind of a game changer for me. I first tried it because I was getting tired of missing small but important details during meetings, especially ones that come back to bite you later, like deadlines, decisions, or follow-ups. You know that feeling when you're trying to listen, take notes, and still stay engaged in the conversation at the same time? Yeah, that was me. I'd walk away thinking I caught everything, then realize later I missed something important. So I decided to see if an AI note taker could actually help and not just be another tool I'd forget about. Fireflies AI, in short, is like a smart meeting assistant that joins your calls, records everything, transcribes it, and even gives you summaries and action items. That alone removes a huge mental load during meetings. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, basically all the major platforms, which makes it easy to plug into whatever setup you already use. And it's made for anyone who spends a lot of time in meetings. Founders, freelancers, recruiters, or even small teams who need to stay on the same page without constantly repeating themselves or chasing notes afterward. When I first set it up, it took less than 10 minutes. I just connected it to my Google Calendar and boom, it started auto-joining my calls without me having to remember anything. That automation is huge if you're busy. The first time it joined my meeting, it honestly felt weird, like having a silent robot guest sitting in. But once I saw the transcript after, I was impressed. The AI nailed most of the conversation, even picked up different speakers pretty accurately, and created a clean summary with all the key points, which made sharing notes with others way easier. One of my favorite parts is the AI super summary. It gives you a breakdown of what was discussed, highlights important keywords, and even pulls out action items so you know exactly what needs to be done next. So instead of rewatching an hour-long meeting or scrubbing through a recording, I can get everything I need in like 5 minutes. The search function is also great. I can literally type budget or timeline, and it jumps right to that part of the meeting, which is incredibly useful when you're reviewing calls days or weeks later. Now, it's not perfect. Sometimes background noise or people talking over each other throws it off a bit, and in a few meetings it joined a little late, which can miss the first minute or two. Also, the interface could look a bit more modern. It's functional, but not super sleek or flashy. But honestly, for what it does and how much time it saves, these are small trade-offs that I can live with. Overall, Fireflies.ai feels like having a personal assistant who never forgets anything and never gets tired. If you're someone who juggles lots of meetings, interviews, or brainstorming sessions, especially while running a business or managing projects, it's totally worth trying. I'm definitely planning to keep it as part of my workflow because it saves me time, reduces mental clutter, and helps me stay organized without even trying.